Okay, great. Welcome back, guys. I hope you're doing well. So, great. In this lab, we use how to use clouds run function to load BigQuery. So, so as you know that the cloud run function is a piece of code that's run in response to an event such as an HTTP request, a message from a messaging services, or a file upload. Okay, so cloud event are things that happen in your cloud environment. So this might be things like change to data in database, file added in storage system. So okay, so what you will learn in this lab, you will do how to create a cloud run function to deploy and test the cloud run function, also view data in query and cloud run function logs. So let's go. So you can set up your environment, okay, by clicking start, and you will be able to access your environment. So okay, so we already have started, so let me just activate the cloud shell. After that, I will just jump to the first task to enable the API. Let's go fast. Yep. So to enable the API, task one is to enable the Rivian API before you create a cloud run function. So you can just follow this command. So like, let's go on this. Yep. First command to create. Great. And run the following command to set up a region. After that, run this one command to set up a configuration variable. Okay. After that, to enable all necessary service. So artifact registry, cloud function, cloud build, cloud tie, run, logging, and PubSub for messaging. Great. Now task 2 is set to required permission. Okay, that's you grant the default computing giant service account to the ability to receive event tag events and the cloud storage service agent the permission to publish message to PubSub topics. Okay, enable event driven workflows and storage tracker action. So let's go. So let's just run this one. Great. Command to set the project's environment. This one command computer engine service account with your project. And after that, you will run this command cloud storage service agent for your project and grant it permission to publish message to PubSub topics. Great. The first was to receive event from event tag. The second one to publish message to PubSub topic. And now create the function now. And you create this simple function name logical BigQuery from Avro. This function reads an Avro file that is uploaded to cloud storage and then creates and loads a table in BigQuery. Easy, guys. Let's go. So in this, we just open the file. And now we can just put something, copy this inside the file. Okay, let's put this. And now we can now just close. Great. And now see the progress. Great. Let's go to the task 4. Create a cloud console bucket and BigQuery dataset. Okay. Set up the region. Let's create the bucket using the back project ID. Great. And now create the BigQuery dataset. Very easy. It's very easy from UI browser. So BigQuery UI. The second option is too much long process, but it's also easy. I can say that. Now let's see progress now. Should be okay. Now deploy your function now. Every time you deploy a new cloud run function and drag it so that the data is stored in BigQuery. So like you say, it's easy because they already provide a command to you can just copy paste. But if you try to type the code by yourself, it will take some time. That's why you should see that I'm very fast because they already provide all the command I need. Okay, so let's deploy this one, and yep, to deploy the function. And after that, yeah, this command was successful. Create the output will be similar to the following command. Okay, let's wait. Great. Say that error cloud function permission storage denied. Let's wait and try. I see an error, so let's try again. You should see an error message related to event service agent propagation. Okay. Did I create a bucket? I think yes. I think I create a bucket, right? Yep. Think I create a bucket. Let's try again. I can also check that if I create bucket. Let's see. Cloud storage bucket. Yeah, already created bucket. So what's up? What did it say that to first? That's the error. Yeah, I think it is okay now. It's just try to create now. So let's wait. After that, running command to that the trigger function was successfully created. Yeah, let's wait. take some time. Let's wait. Yeah, I think it is okay now. There are no error. So great. Yeah, location, yes, yes, central, yes, okay, that's great. So now, command to download the arrow file that will be processed by the cloud run function for storage BigQuery. Okay, great. And now let's move the arrow file to the staging cloud storage bucket to create. Great. Now let's check the progress. Should be okay. Now the last task now, confirm that the data that was loaded into BigQuery up in the cloud share. Just use this to see that. We just confirm the cloud function has been successfully loaded into BigQuery. Okay. Now in cloud shell, we just executed command to view the data in the new table in BigQuery using BigQuery command. Yes, as you can see here. Okay. And yeah, we are able to see this. Yeah, there are also some tags again. View log. You can see this log here. Login rates. Yep. Yep. So to examine the log for your cloud run function, you can see all the data you. Yep. You HTTP request, all the event. Yeah. So congratulations. Yeah. Use it to Google Cloud SDK to create, deploy, and test the cloud run function that creates and load the BigQuery table. Great, guys. That was nice and very fast also. Yeah, it was great. Let's end here.